Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we've got the new build day. Oh yes, I've got another one for my subscriber to do. So today we are going to be doing stages 1 and 2 of the John Wick Mustang. Now, this has actually caused me to go out and buy the films for this because I do like researching into what I'm actually building. So I bought the films, gotta watch them yet, which I plan to do in the very near future. But yeah, this is going to be an interesting one. Never built a Mustang car before, so yeah, very interesting on that one as well. And yeah, plus the fact again, it's another one for Paul, and it's another one for him to enjoy once it's all been built. Now, it's going to be kind of a thing at the moment because we've got about another 2 new builds to come that I'm doing for him as well. So it's a little bit crazy, but I'm on top of it, which is the main thing. It's not going to run away with me. So I'm going to be happy about that one. Anyway, let's have a look at this and let's get over to the build desk. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so let's have a look what we get in this. So we do have a collection guide. This is in 1/8 scale. If we open this out, it gives us a bit more information about the car. Like I said, I have bought the DVD box set. I'm just yet to watch it. Need to pull this out. Every one they do is different. So here we've got some details about what's going on with the car. So we've got working lights, sound effects, realistic finish. Then we've got what's going to be in the magazine. We've got the gifts, which is posters. We've got a license plate. We've got a mug, and then we get a keyring as well. And then I think if I open this out, we have an absolutely ginormous poster. Wow. Okay, that's huge. That is definitely huge. But yeah, I felt looking into this one because there are a lot of Mustang builds out there, but this is going to be the first one that I've ever built. So if we go to the magazine, here it is. So this is stage 1. All information about the film. Like I said, I need to watch it. I've got the DVD box set, so I do like to research into what I'm building. And here's the instructions. We get the bonnet, or if in the US, the hood. So we've got some bits and pieces to do on that. Working more on a hood, and then it says after completion of this stage of assembly. Fantastic. Okay. So let's get the parts and get started. So, like everything, when I do issue 1s and 2s, I do it right out the box, just as if you were getting this yourself. So we've got the hood here and all the bits and pieces. We also get a free screwdriver, which you get more or less in every build, in case this is your first ever build. So yeah, looking interesting. So let me just move that to one side. I'm going to bring up my mini cushion here because we need the hood itself, I believe. Yes, we do. Do we? Hang on. Nope, sorry, my bad. We don't need that yet. We need this first of all. Okay, and then get some tweezers because these are blister packs and they're a bit of a nightmare. We've got these here. I think these are lights actually, to be honest with you. So what we're going to do, go up to the build camera. We're going to slot this into there like so. Then we need this cover piece here. And we're going to slot this on top like that. And I believe that's going to hold them lenses in place. Yep, it's going to hold them in place. Okay. Then, if now we bring the hood across, we're going to be putting this onto here. Now, I'm just making sure I've got this the right way around. Okay, so that slots into there like so. Then it wants us to take 3 B screws and secure this in. So here are the B screws. You ask for 3 and he gives you 4. Okay, so I'll get my screwdriver, turn this over. So the holes are going to be these 2 here and that one there. Now, I believe this is plastic, so I shouldn't need any oil. But I do need to use a pH0 screwdriver because the one, they are very small screws. That's one in there. One in there. And then the final one is just going to go into here. Okay, so that's that so far. Turning the page of the magazine. Next it wants is this LED strip here. And what it's asking us to do is kind of separate these a little bit. And we're going to be putting them into the holes just here. First time I've actually seen LEDs on the hood of a vehicle, so that's new to me. Oh, it's always good to learn new things. Okay, so that's in. Then it wants us to get the next piece, which is the sort of hood, let's say sort of hood reinforcement. So, and we're going to be putting this on just like that. And then we are securing that in with 4 A screws. So here are the A screws. Now I'm just going to test to see the head of these. Nope, pH 0. Okay, so let's get this secured in. Now to say that it's actually going into metal, that is not too bad actually. I sometimes test these things whether, you know, do I need to put the screws in 3-in-1 oil? And to start off with, this has been not too bad. So I'm quite chuffed with that. Okay, and there we go guys, that is stage 1. Beautiful hood design. We've got the LEDs in place, which is great. That is looking rather nice. I'm not a car person, but that does look quite stunning. So guys, that is stage 1 complete. Okay, so here we go, stage number 2. So we've got origin of the franchise. Very nice. Got some more information there. The theft of Mustangs. Yeah. More information on the film. then we've got what we're doing today. So we're doing the left front wheel. So typical part work, do a hood, do a wheel in the first two stages. And that's what this is going to be looking like. And then we've got some information on the vehicles. So yeah, quite a lot in the magazine. Okay, so let's get this stage 2. So we need this, which is our hub, and we need the tyre. Now, I have checked this, and I don't think I need to put this in any hot water because the tyre is pretty soft. But I just wish they'd make them like they were in 2 parts again, because that is more easier. So I'm just gonna work my way around it. Coming together slowly. Just takes a bit of time. There we go, guys. So that is now on. Okay. Just changing the page of the magazine. Now, I've just realised I've got that on the wrong way. It should be on the other way because the valve is not on. Right, let me just pause and get this in the right way. It's back in a sec.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, got it in the right way. So there we go. Right, next, I'm going to go to build camera here, because the next part we need is this piece here and this piece here. Now I'm going to be combining these together. There's like connection bits on here that we need to make sure goes in the holes on this part. Oh, without dropping it all over the place, Mark. It's easier to said than done to line this up. I think I have it. Yeah, got it. Okay, so that's now lined up. Now if we turn this over and get this part here, wants us to put this into the back of this part. So just like that. Now I'm just wondering if there's any, I don't think there's any right or wrong way that needs to go in. So what it wants us to do next is we're going to put this onto the front here. Kind of line up the screw holes. So that's gone in beautifully there. And then we're going to secure that in with 3 of type C screws. I'll get them out. When they want to come out. There we go. Okay. Turn this over. It's all lined up. So we'll get this in. I must be careful because I don't want to push like that. So I am going to have to hold this in place while I get this in. I'm just trying to line this up again. It's not going. Ah, there we go. Wasn't going in from the other side. Right, let's hold this and get these in without that happening. What is going on with this? Come on, Mark. All it is putting a screw in. Right, I started it. Okay, that's one in. Okay, next one's coming in. That one's in. And we'll get the final one in. And there we go. That's all there is to do in this stage. So, stages 1 and 2, we have one wheel. And we also have our hood with the LEDs in place. Looking rather nice. Really rather nice. I'm impressed so far. So guys, that is stages 1 and 2 of the John Wick Mustang complete. Well guys, that was an excellent start to a new build on the channel. Another one for Paul, which is always great. And it is really coming along nicely. Like I said, I have got 2 more to come that I need to do as a new start. But yeah, we are cracking on with them. In fact, after I've done the next 2, I'm more or less caught up. So I'll probably do some more packs of the Lotus Esprit, unless anything comes in that time. Don't know if it will or not, but it could do. You just never know with these things. And because I can't check the portal, I only know when my stuff is coming. So yeah, it is what it is, but I'm happy with how it's turned out so far. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please can give it a massive thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.